Yes, how to use the neem leaf, fresh turmeric, and Isaiah 25 from verse 4 to 8 to cleanse and be in charge and in control of your life in 2024. Yes, my name is Chuka Okonye, and you're welcome to my channel today. Before we go on, I want to wish you a happy new year. And as always, the new year is a fair where we can start things afresh, where we can correct things and make sure that things that were done in the last year does not repeat itself. Is a year whereby we need to build on things that we've already started, and also a year whereby we need to accomplish things that we've already started. The neem leaf, which is also called the Dogoyaro leaf. The Dogoyaro leaf is what we in Nigeria call the neem leaf. Now, the neem leaf is a very important and essential spiritual cleansing plant, which is used in cleansing bad toxins, evil toxins, and also used in welcoming or embracing positivity and good lucks in every new season. But in this case, we shall be using them to welcome every positivity and good lucks in this year 2024. The purpose of the spiritual cleansing is to cleanse our energies and to remove every chain that has stood up against us in the last year 2023. We shall be using the neem leaf and the fresh turmeric to effect this change. Now, this spiritual exercise will help us. It will help us, and it will also help you align your spiritual energies with every positive aura that comes with 2024. If you are the type that your year usually starts good but ends badly, that is, it doesn't end well. Maybe you are the type that your year starts very good. You start seeing favors, appointments, financial breakthroughs, but towards the end of the year you start seeing disappointments, disfavors, and the rest. Now you need to carry out the spiritual exercise to get rid of all those things. Now, also, if you're the type that your year is usually plagued by near success syndromes, disfavor, disappointment, and all sorts of negativity, you need to carry out this spiritual exercise to make sure that you get rid of them and be in charge of your life throughout this year 2024. You must not miss the spiritual exercise, for with it you'll be able to conquer and to do exploits in this year 2024. You need to be in charge and in control of what comes into your life, of what happens and how it happens in your life. You need to be in charge of what must be in your life, so that you won't be among the masses that allows things to be detected for them, or you won't be among those masses that those entities can make use of anyhow they feel like. So you need to be among those that are fully in charge of their spiritual authorities in the year 2024, and then you see and know how things go smoothly in your life in the year 2024. Now, there are some of you that when you poured water, you start shaking strangely, or when you see whenever fishes are being caught in your presence, you start dancing strangely, or whenever you pass by a river or by a stream or so, or by the sea, you start fidgeting, or you start vibrating, or start feeling as if the river or the sea is calling you. Now, if you're among those people that I mentioned, then you need to understand that you must carry out the spiritual exercise for those things to be cut off, for those things to be rectified in your life. Now, what you must do to be in charge of this year 2024, to be in charge of your life in this year 2024, to be in control, to be able to command and to have authority over this year 2024, for you to purge out yourself from every evil toxins out of your body, so that you can be aligned with your energies and with your authorities in this year 2024, for you to take absolute benefit, for you to take total control and benefit of whatsoever good thing that has been assigned to you in this 2024. What you must do is that from the 3rd to the 6th of January 2024, I mean from the 3rd of January to 6th of of January 2024, you shall boil some neem leaf. Some neem leaf, that is, you shall boil some Dogoyaro leaf, some neem leaf alongside some fresh turmeric. From fresh turmeric, you know turmeric. I will put up the pictures here up of the screen so that you know what I'm talking about. So from the 3rd to the 6th of January 2024, you shall boil some neem leaf alongside some fresh turmeric and add some potion, or you add some portion of turmeric into the boiled neem leaf. That is, if you're unable to get fresh turmeric leaf, then you can go out there in the shops to get powdered turmeric. Now, when you get those powdered turmeric, you shall add them into the boiled neem water. Now, after doing that, you shall recite the scripture Isaiah 25 from verse 4 to 8. After doing that, you need to recite the scripture Isaiah 25 from verse 4 to 8 into the potion. Now, after reciting Isaiah 25 from verse 4 to 8 into the potion, you need to pray for your spiritual image. You need to pray for your aura. You need to pray for your inner light. You need to pray for your glory, and so on. And after doing this, what you need to do is that you need to use this potion to steam your face. That is this hot turmeric water that has this hot neem and turmeric water that is still steaming. You need to use it to steam your face. You need to use it for face steaming. That is what you're going to do, is that you need to place your feet and the vapor will start steaming your face. You understand that kind of thing. Now, you need to observe this face steaming for at least 15 minutes daily and prayerfully. You need to observe the face steaming of the neem and turmeric and the turmeric for at least 15 minutes daily and prayerfully. You understand? That is from the 3rd to the 6th of January 2024. Now, this process must be observed with a fast. It must be observed with a fast throughout the day. You shall engage with the fast. Now throughout the day, you shall engage with the fast while carrying out this spiritual exercise. You understand? And it shall be well with you. Now, this fast can be done from 6 a.m. to 12 noon, or you can do it from 6 a.m. to 2 p.m., or you can do it from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Now, you need to carry out this spiritual exercise and see how your ways and the doors will be open for the year 2024. Now, if you have any questions concerning this video, or you are not cleared about anything, what you need to do is that you need to drop it at the comment section, and I shall respond to those questions respectively. I understand that some people will be saying that they want to do from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Now, why the main reason why I had to put it that you need to observe this fast from 6 a.m. to 12 noon, or from 6 a.m. to 2 p.m., or from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. is that I had to say it because there are some people that have various capacities. So you need to carry the fast out based on your own capacity. You understand? Thank you once again. My name is Chuka Okonye, and if this is your first time for visiting my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button to be receiving notifications whenever I drop spiritual exercise tips like this, or whenever I drop dreams interpretations on this channel. Now, if you're an old member, the Lord bless you. I see each and every one of you excelling to the next level in this year 2024. And please make sure that by the time you start excelling, make sure you give your testimony. For the Lord, it is through that you can shame the devil, and the Lord will add more unto those blessings that He has been bestowing unto you. Thank you once again for visiting my channel. See you in the next video. Bye for now.